I think I found a better way to do this. Maybe use clamps like this to pinch your raft together. That way the back side of it there's nowhere for the back side of this to go. The whole reason why I'm actually taking this one out, this is a new one, is because we didn't put grease on this. And it seemed to still leak. So as you can see, the original part is still inside there. This is the new valve. The new thing that this comes with is inside there. And like you'll see when you order one of these are very inexpensive, by the way. I got 3 for $15 and it came with the tool. It just happened to be the wrong tool, but it's very important that you put grease on these threads. I'm gonna use this Vaseline here because it seemed to work good on the other valves. And grease is grease, like my girl likes to say. Basically, load that up with grease, line yourself back up. I can't. My hand's too greasy now. All right, that's a problem. Too much grease on my hands.